3D documents can be created from floor plan views as well. Let's transform our 2D floor plan into 3D documentation, which is a great tool for making our design intents clearer to the client. Go to the 3D window, turn off the 3D cutaway function, and click on the Zero Ground Floor tab. Activate the Marquee tool and select an area around the building. Right-click and choose New 3D Document from Floor Plan in the context menu. In the upcoming dialog, type 3D Ground Floor Plan in the name field and click Create. The 3D floor plan will open automatically. Let's refine this 3D document. Right-click on any empty space and choose 3D Document Settings. In the Floor Plan Projection panel, set Show Down to 1 story below so the terrain in the pavement slab will also be visible. Open the Model Display panel. For the Fill Cut Surfaces with parameter, choose Uniform Surface and set Paint Sand Beige Surface as the cut surface material. Select the Uniform Pen color option for the Fill Uncut Surface with parameter and set the Uncut Surfaces pen to 19. Check the Uniform Pen for uncut contours, vectorial 3D hatching, and transparency checkboxes. Finally, turn on Sun Shadows and click OK. Now we have a very distinct looking 3D document that is already part of our documentation. Naturally, if you want, you can add some dimensions and labels to make it more informative.